Yase Penyah na otena fie mama flowering and kan ya kan ankawe fa oka ho bi. Enti general mosquito empese beka se we na ankawe fo nti no. Awa bontene abefa ya. Efa Sam George ableckman of issue na happen na. Sam George ya kasa ho kasa fire man for fire no. Asiedu Nketia ene Sam George abekla utirem Sam George oya abofla onyini he for grow na onsie nyansa na onsu ohun hawa asemba obesi akasa. Aha ipenya block media. Mesro say need dem. Obe like video no other ma subscribe button na ba kele notification icon latest update. Na ba chere wa join the amame e wo comment section. Mesro so baso no share no for so enya bi ahwe. It last 2 weeks Friday ene call ableckman not coincidence. I call by election between a rabna ene a free ekuya free. As at the end of the day no say a rabna and a win. Now there was a certain drama. Environment was very charged. It was a chaotic scene. And when people be ekoto share Hawa Koomson so anka omuko bono ekuno.
Why are they doing that?
And on MPP Deputy National Organizer, as a Chris Lloyd, also Komo Akwaku Prano. Na issue happen no. And then a cause attention on the internet. Na emu Anna Sam George emeki tweet on Twitter and on Twitter say, "Dear IGP of Ghana Police Service and DG of the CID, I am still waiting for the police to act on my complaint from Ayawaso West Wugon." Just say, or call on IGP any CID boss. I said, Ayawaso West Wugon, it should be happy here. It was almost 80 accounts or trying the response from them. It must be treated as first come first served basis. I have patiently waited since 2019 for justice to be served. Just say, as some now say first come first served. Come on, say bimo cast Hawa Koomson issue no. Was say investigation. No yetimi echi omo etumi ade. And me catch them say it should be on basis of first come first served. Now me dey my train from 2019 to date. Me nya mo aye bia age no. Me sra mother mo ka bibi nkyira me. Let no one who justified the 2019 incident dare try to speak today. Obia 2019 no ade see here. One condemn no. Eney ableckman of Hawa Koomson no. Ma won kasa. You sowed the wind and you have reaped the whirlwind. What was source for the goose is source for the gander. I have not started yet. This is just the beginning. We would all live in Ghana. One love. Just me has here. And what did this particular video etato?
You kill a man in his own house. His own house. We'll still look at. We'll still look at. His own house.
Be careful.
You kill a man in his own house. That's fine. I should what?
I say video ni mo no. Sam George anyone say on some SWAT. What I say Sam George and some SWAT National Security Council fully be engage in argument. Anyone say Sam George nipa ba kokran e ko ho no mo as en kan no mu kokon say deal emu anema SWAT ni ba ko se free cap e bo Sam George asom. The one I say abey assaulting. I say Sam George is trying to assault them. What I say as your transfer be me masem o man is ema emu no Sam George chop free slap. He chop free slap. That particular incident no. And Sam George can was one say oh from 2019 what try ya born asun see the Ghana Police Service one can hwe it tell you say if people are calling on you for issue happening between Hawa Koomson and some tax there na make catch them say 2019 incidents na ma twa ya che na obi biala 2019 incidents no one condemn no ene biba call no on kana ntum later Anna Bawumia as be a press conference Anna Bawumia was taxing on the government say ableckman of issue na happen obia na ni ewom obia mu the tax no because this mayhem e ho no they shouldn't go unpunished. They must be brought before book. Just as you yetimi do mu gina mra nim na emra no enu omudi. It interview na Bawumia ehye no. And Sam George ever reply with a tweet. And what Tre say? Someone should tell Bawumia to shut up. What I say? Master, tell baby, keep quiet, come off for there. Charlie, come off for there, make you shut your mouth, Joe. What did he say about Elsie West will go in 2019? Bawumia, you are now talking, you now get mouth to talk. 2019, was West will gone. What did you say? Bawumia, what did you say? And I say, or the way ebaye. Emma, Sam George cry and make it this set of tweet crown. Comment section, I'm off on the clash. What I say? But I don't like I say, so when will you get sense? Obolo, when will you get sense? Emma Sikapaso creator say, are you saying tooth for tooth? Here as an MP and a church elder? Come on. This is 2025. And the kind of videos we are seeing here are not worth it. We must protect the peace of Ghana no matter what. What I say? And for boot, Emma. And for tooth, Emma. You were 2025. Yes, you condemn the incidents of the past. It's now, remember, and you have to pay vengeance. What I say? You put Ghana first. Emma, Jemborago's actress said, you and common sense are parallel. Just only common sense today. This stupid fool today has the audacity to tell the former vice president to shut up. Sam George, you will pay dearly for this. We can assure you, fool. Ghana actress said, you are a minister for God's sake. Some of these utterances are not necessary. Sam George, here. Oh, you're cabinet minister. Here. You know the here. How I say, also a church elder for crying out loud. Oh, you're a church elder. It, some utterances be on more. If I reserve them. Emma Mace and Nia J. Esdras said, Massa, use the energy to talk about your failed ministry. So you condone abuse. If you have nothing better to say as a minister, I suggest you also shut up. She said, only be can. Minister Relations and Communication and Information. Data bannable. I also tell you to shut up. Keep quiet, Joe. How I say? Emma is a comment that should open in a class. Emma sound Obi will make another comment which is a whole minister of communication. Come on, bro. You can do better than this. You can do better. And as Sam George, I reply that particular comment. I say, complete bollocks. Just a complete bullshit. Complete badadash. Just Sam George will be no one teaching. Samim be no one teaching. Complete bollocks. Was it not ministers of state who orchestrated the attack on me and innocent citizens? What did you say then? Just shut up, because you do not know the pain I carry. Also, Massa, come on for that job. Do you know the pain I carry? Those people who came, the tax who came to assault me, were not orchestrated by ministers of state. AG, what is so wrong for a minister like me to also come out with these utterances? It has been some George, I said there be on back down. Emma Naman for me on the presidency there be on revoking the appointment of Sam George. If you say, Mahama the code of conduct, a cassetia arrogance of power. Say, as minister or any government appointee official, more him cassa muye, how must he cassa amount for commune to about the man money there, but Sam George there. I say, how do you want to have a guano banta? She said, or cousin one be over can't tap it, hey, only nenya, I be born out in Ediachero. Never how was Sam George making an utterances, no. Anna Chairman General Mosquito, Asiedu Nketia, the chairman for the National Democratic Congress, NDC. Abamubi, and we chance Debbie. Same. How was Samusi Kasane dear? At least, you for no say, you be a cabinet minister, you be a minister for a state. Why must you talk like this, Same? Be grown, grow up, Sammy, grow up.
25 for a year. Opportunity can see a partner. Sa ablikuma no Ofui edi aba.
Okay.
Say yen ya yete akonwa so nei. Yen kire bibi, na yen kire say ye pese to vigilantism no ase.
Enti mo be kire bibi. Fortunately your party na ti akonwa so.
Say me tufo wo me party ma me ka no ha. Na me de wa bisam na me kire wo. Say si ya no. Me de say me Asiedu Nketia. Nka ochira nopa yenchichi efira ya waso ebesi abrekuma north yenchichi nipa bia wadi boni vigilantism wabatu mu ni adi nyina yenchi wo mu nyina.
Okay.
Na yemfa obia nyina mranim na obia there is no expiry date ewo crime no tamo anado of formal commission no okay say na there was significant opinion kura say anka sa commission no enko akire na kire poni nom ne dia CCCC they say akwatia first see atiwa nom ne ade ade nyina enkokoba ho na abai no be ka say no there must be a starting point and or the a commission no a starting ayawa so west intellectual say obia beti as a nation say we there a starting point a free a high chrono yan so bibia so
okay
baby abai no fairly and say oh no aka say on so bibia so no and no be so ni nyina so and na dim kran she ba ye na afi techi mai and the keka ho no nyina ba ye a free hall cro da ye beko they say election security meeting ewo IGP ho bia me bisa wo mo say killings here asisi no mo my update ana mo wa mutu me ne dan pare ko ho wo police headquarters ho pen
I see
say mo me an just ade yentimi to vigilantism yase
hina post
it says here babia ya babedri
ya waka say
records no nyina wo ho yanchi wo mu nyina nchi wo ma wo mo ye na no
ya kwa akire dodo
ya kwa akire ahemfa
nya udenya botre ayawa so die ya te commission ho ye starting point commission aye na adwuma president na issue white paper dia person odi ye adwuma no odi aye adwuma
on fanya adwuma president white paper no on fa mu bibia nya adwuma enti yaba as government
one can say some of the recommendations we ye be ni say we be
and no the white paper no mu no enti ono recommendations ya we say we na me de be ye adwuma no kra wa fanya adwuma
I see
enti as government ya yaba no the white paper is there
okay enti monsan ko white paper ne
then starting from there white paper
obi nka say anase opponent nka say equalization am pese mo ye because eti ano eyi test na bedru mo so say mo be take action no e na mo
nye action no na ewo ho
enti yen take action no Ablekuma North
where the whole nation the Ablekuma North enko free ye beche wo mo nso
okay
but then starting from the starting point here two parties ni ya agree say we starting point here
okay
party a hoti akonya so amfa nya adwuma
okay
enti yen starting ho
okay
when cleaning stables ni nyina make cleaning
say no do more process and I think this week IGP did a report on the 2020 and 2024 election no honsem omo film no or the former president
sana me can say say Fufu na talk kwai say report na former president
or the former president
na ayawa so west so white paper no da ho inti yankan nyina mum because the 2020 no Ablekuma Central no north ye ku nipa wa Ablekuma Central ho
okay
ena ne north yakobo bia sum na waja Central de na yaku nipa no say wo beka we no ye beka say wo nipa ni papa inti ya abanya ya inherit all the
liability na munyi ho ama wabre so
anam say ya ba say government ya inherit liability eka oman no de no Nana Akufo-Addo bogu onye na yigu so ayetua
okay
enti ya inherit bibia
okay
cases ya ewo court yes san aban what is say aban assistant case ya ewo court nyina wu so egu so ayekoso enti no ya inherit bibia na we a very good opportunity say you did two vigilantism massive
okay
me I'm ready say your party ni bia ne hu bekam bia mfa no famra kwaso
do betumi anya sa political will no oba tan chairman
eno na make over me political history nya me na make wo mo elim na beka se me de me mpe ade a me chiri ni se mra we ye didi we ni adi aja we
okay
mra wo Ghana ye mra wo Ghana
okay
nti obi a se didi no bia ye mfa ni wa anya no sa na o ka se ye beka se mitrimu ade ye beka se mitrimu ade a boni a o pese utu ase entu
okay
eno nti ye nhya ase e me krom ni tachima ne bono omo e wo ho a ye di boni akunkum nipa ye kwache wo
okay
ne nche wo ma akunkum nipa wo banda
okay
ne nchechi obia wo mo a ye registration how I could be sort to police station and also home records when they say Hawa Koomson. And no home records in our young family in Amra.
Okay.
Now Obibia Wadi Bonibia enti say Nipakum mo Nipakum asotwe wo ho asombode wo ho we die wo ho na yem fama obia na ehun say e free ene ekoi udi bone e wo polling station so ka say ma campaign say mentia say obi eko wia ade wo wia banchi wo kurase na akukọ yetimi de no kotu
yeah.
And so kunipa e polling station I see a politics fa okodi eno na idea be wie ni eno ti no yemi ehunu say crime is crime but bia ya commit crime no bia no yem punish na emma asumdwe mrase yes ade ya mekan ekosi say ya abato bia ni fa obi be ko ni mu say odi ntokwa ana odi sekai ana odi kontibo bia ko abato as
I see why a penny na why chairman ma party element bi wo party mu a wo ye omusian Hawa Koomson no oye sei nti ase odisa na wo be ka sen
you're wrong because democracy no a man obia kwai say ono na or exact punishment apart from state
okay
for crime
okay
so enti say obia boy sumunda kura no na na wosu kobono bia munyina ma ye bone
okay
enti untimi mfa nya justification say obia ye say metie minua Sam George
okay
no so kura threaten say we are just the beginning no me and that me gidi say ono aye victim da enti uputu ho into ni shoes a ebi a obeka say odika but oye minister of state in there
okay
so enti o kasa ese o kasa as minister of state now to me overcome one kasa of feeling ya me anu abu masum sa say yesu kra say be edu ba bi no okomre oyemu ekobo na se nua edu ba bi man ka say ebetimi a bakuru anu tano enti emotions there to the bia ebeba amwa kan say before we be realize it. But I don't think say and only the way to solve the problem
okay
and until no the SSA and say call on the state agencies to do their work and no be na me call it
all right
say state agencies and there na ba state agencies adwuma enkoso no are in respect of criminal prosecution and no lead to instant justice so who say obi awia de na manfo atu agu ni so awi omunku no mummo pe sa society na nim say criminal justice nya adwuma
omun ni gidie wo
mrano enu ntino ye nyina ye mfa gidie nhye mra adwuma num
okay
na ye mamra no enye na adwuma
okay
na ye ka say effective media ene mra nya adwuma me all right say me respond by effective media dia ne ye mfa mra nya adwuma society ye build society
enkoso wa ka say han ena isi no nya de nti isi yesese ofri ho nti sa kasa bi sa no so na mamo nkrofo no ne say ya anya wide na ya yanko ye vigilante wo ho no mo anye ya isi betwa fufu afa ye tiko ahye ye nu
in fact the abai kura isi ka ho na mana basa
how
because on family anya adwuma
ene
one family anya adwuma na no mo ka
ya odi so dia ye adwuma
hwe ye mra wo ho no say wa ye declare results e wo polling station wi a asa court netimi esan dane no
okay
so
okay
sana ye mra no wo Omaimu from 92 to date.
Okay.
I feel last year na you declare election results wa. Isi no ono officers you declare results no. Ono san ko tena ho aka say me officers no say ye share wo na wo declare enti ye nkodane. Be say 9 constituencies results. Ho na say mu nyina free. because any emra bia mu
in that instance and obey the obeka say
in that instance because our representative na wo ho a wa declare
okay
and at the same ECA wo hui edibia the in all other elections apart from nano dia
no really
yes
and then tina nano dia ni the man fa animu
that is the point anything that make us say wo demra uduru ha koto dia ne bodwe nyanya nche dia emfa no kwa wo desire build the society ayi because say obi o say wa agency a wo mo agina ho wo di mo declare no wa say frɛ wo mo say wo mo ase wo mo declare no under duress nti masesa no eno na dey all these cases by because say you under duress ya what you do ni say affected party eno no dey asem no ebeko the appropriate they say forum high court.
Okay.
That is the law we know in this country.
Okay, that's if it's parliamentary.
If it is parliamentary, they make a say parliamentary.
Okay.
And until the share one more timi kotra hot sign fresh say constituencies 9 be also meaning no yan for no say on the duress inti ya twa ya san koye recollation ya san koye that is the problem. A honest start here.
I see.
So and until no senka womo emma kwan say okay affected aggrieved party bia emfa procedure no so ka de ba yina bia ma
okay
enti eno eye easy for adwuma no a me complain ho da bia no enti me de wo ya de na eye papa me wo aban mu me wo position mu eye papa eye bone so a me wo aban mu me wo position mu eye bone na no abrekurade ya na omo kan say NDC for say electoral commission ya de I wo ma ye declaration yen san koye rerun electoral commission say ne o yes ama Asiedu Nketia satisfy ne agya no honam na who told you so because say obomasum na da bia o so be bomasum du na wa san ba say du no mate so abanso a enti na wo say me nko kamfo say why
that is to say we call our year initially say so mo kono da so gina ho
me gina wa because bibia che say wo mo adwuma nso ani enti de by bebre because say amanfo wo gidie wo commission no mo a eno ankasa acted to dampen some motivation to resort to other means.
I see.
So, enti the gina no say no say resetting the country no, and now resetting the state institutions. Interlinked.
Okay.
So, enti o seti me no me nsa na uja third or fourth wire. Onye hwi. Enti we must begin where we have begun. Yento aso me reset these things because sa violence ni ne manema nyina interlink.
For ne dia anya omeka se woni omo issue kai last time bia obaye moko hyperka yesi wakosre ebisa o se maame no se uba ase niama one ne ye wo me bisa na si o mesere ye mesere keke o se makosre na usu ni masama ameka na o se masere nti ema omunya perception se asa wo mpe yisi for na se bada
mesere wapam
tell
you why mesere wapam then I just
you know what we say if you anyasa o madwen be your
na me say we
no Asiedu Nketia no on pay asem from day one
na mimuna kire wo ma na nka me pɛ wo ma asem nipa o sire kire no se wo pɛ ma asem enti nka me nkomu na kire wo enti de me kan say nipa no so ye onua oye wadamfo wo de obia oni manage mensa enim say na madamfo pa no before ye point no man be ye bisa ni kunu bisa everybody
so aye ho
me na me ka kire wo
okay
so madamfo pa ba madamfo no na ye de adwuma bia ma na onwa no ye a me ntra ho nka say wo ye madamfo ntima ye nka
but what
When is someone General Mosquito Abeka? If you're penny, Wabetia Sam George, what is your take on this issue? Ubet Machara Wajun Amame. Ewa comment session. I Penyah Media. Accra.